Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you dal pakora, musur dal and chana dal pakora. It's very tasty for evening snacks or party appetizer. Here I am taking half cup of musur dal and half cup of chana dal. I will wash them and will soak into lukewarm water for an hour. Also you can soak overnight. After 1 hour, now I will blend the dal to make the pakoras batter. Here I am taking a blending jar. Now add some water. Do not add too much water. You know the pakoras batter, right? It should be little thick. Okay, pakoras batter is ready. As you can see the consistency. Now we will add some ingredients in this batter. Okay, now we will add pinch of turmeric, pinch of asafoetida, half teaspoon crushed ajwain or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon grated garlic. It's optional. If you don't like garlic, you can skip it. 2 chopped green chilies, 1 small size chopped onion and half cup chopped coriander leaves. Mix them properly. Now add salt to taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and half tablespoon poppy seeds. Also you can add poppy seeds or semolina. Any one, both are good. Mix it very well. Our pakoras batter is ready. Here I have some vegetable oil in the kadai. Let's heat up the oil on high heat. Check the oil if it is ready. Oil is ready. Now keep the flame on medium. Just remember the oil should not be very hot, otherwise the pakora will not cook properly inside. Flip carefully, otherwise they can break. We have to flip few more times till golden brown. One batch is done. Let me remove them. Let me finish all of them, then we'll serve it. Dal pakora is ready. You can serve with tomato sauce or coriander chutney or tamarind chutney, or you can serve with all of them, whatever you like. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.